Okay, opening up this heavy box. Kill team. Just following the lines on the box. Easy does it. Playtime is 45 minutes, but hours of fun building and painting it. Yeah. Okay, are we ready? We are going to open the box and we are going to see inside what's inside the box. Wow, it's open. Kill team. Leaflet. Flip it over. Awesome art, as you will expect. We have bases. We have things to have cards in. We have colored plastic. We have red plastic on the other side with gray plastic. Amazing. And scenery. You never can have enough terrain, and the amount of terrain in this box are just insanely good. Well, double the same art. Okay. Dice. We're going to leave aside a ruler. Good layout. And then we have object markers or something like that. And the board. This is the box. Nothing art around in the edges there. Okay, just a black box.